How microchips are made. Inside your phone, your laptop, even your car. There are microchips running everything. Tiny pieces of silicon with billions of components packed into something smaller than your fingernail. No moving parts. No visible wires. And yet, they handle complex calculations in milliseconds. It sounds complicated because it is. But the process follows a very structured series of steps. So today we are going to walk through how microchips are actually made and how raw material becomes one of the most important components in modern technology. Chapter 1: The Basic Idea. Microchips are built from semiconductor materials. They contain tiny circuits. These circuits control electrical signals. The goal is to process and store information. Chapter 2: Silicon as the foundation. Most microchips are made from silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor. It can conduct electricity under certain conditions. This makes it ideal for circuits. Chapter 3: Creating silicon wafers. Silicon is formed into thin, flat wafers. These wafers are smooth and uniform. They act as the base for the chip. Multiple chips are made on a single wafer. Chapter 4: Cleanroom environment. Microchips are made in cleanrooms. These environments are highly controlled. Dust and particles are minimized. Even tiny contamination can affect the process. Chapter 5: Layering materials. Microchips are built in layers. Thin layers of material are added to the wafer. Each layer serves a specific function. This creates the structure of the circuit. Chapter 6: Photolithography. Patterns are applied using light. A light-sensitive material is placed on the wafer. Light is used to transfer patterns onto it. This defines where circuits will form. Chapter 7: Etching. After patterning, unwanted material is removed. This process is called etching. It leaves behind the desired structures. Etching shapes the circuit layout. Chapter 8: Doping. The electrical properties of silicon are adjusted. This is done by adding small amounts of other elements. This process is called doping. It allows precise control of conductivity. Chapter 9: Repeating the process. Layering, patterning, and etching are repeated many times. Each cycle adds complexity. The chip gradually takes form. This repetition builds the full circuit. Chapter 10: Testing the wafer. Before cutting, wafers are tested. Each chip is checked for functionality. Defective chips are identified. Testing ensures quality. Chapter 11: Cutting and packaging. The wafer is cut into individual chips. Each chip is packaged. Connections are added for integration into devices. Packaging protects the chip. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Microchips power modern electronics. They enable computing and communication. They are built through precise processes. They are essential to technology today. To wrap up, microchips are made by building layers of material on silicon wafers and shaping them into circuits. Processes like photolithography, etching, and doping define the structure and behavior of the chip. These steps are repeated many times to create complex designs. The wafer is tested, cut, and packaged into usable components. The result is a compact device capable of handling vast amounts of information. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.